Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the DJI Phantom 3 standard. Before we get into the video, kindly hit the subscribe button below and smash the like button. Hey guys, it's Michael from Medo Unboxing, where I help you to make decisions in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. So inside the box we have the drone itself with the 2.7K camera like the DJI Mavic Mini. The controller, two batteries that each can last for 25 minutes each. Holder to hold your phone on the controller right here. Holder to hold your controller right here. Power adapter to be able to charge the battery of the drone. These are the propellers and these are the extras. This is the user manual, but it is not in English. Also, this is for your iPad or your smartphone, and some extra stuff. And that's all for the unboxing of the DJI Phantom 3 standard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment below if you want to see a full review of the DJI Phantom 3 standard. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace.